From the heart of the earth, a journey begins. Ancient clay, shaped by time, holds the promise of transformation.
Each truckload carries the essence of our planet, destined for a meticulous process of refinement and artistry. Before transformation, every raw material undergoes rigorous analysis. Precision is paramount, even at this foundational stage.
Sun and wind play their part, naturally preparing the clay. A slow, patient process, essential for future strength. Into the heart of the factory, the dried clay begins its mechanical journey. Each step meticulously controlled. The raw earth is broken down, refined to a precise consistency. A vital step for the tile's integrity.
Homogenization ensures perfect consistency, a uniform foundation for every tile. Quality begins here. Under immense pressure, the clay is forged into its initial shape. Each press, a testament to strength and precision.
These green tiles, fresh from the press, embark on their next critical stage, careful drying.
Within the controlled heat, moisture is meticulously drawn out, preparing each tile for the intense fire ahead.
Every dried biscuit tile undergoes stringent inspection. Flawless quality is our unwavering commitment, ensuring perfection. Into the inferno, the tiles endure their ultimate test by fire. This intense heat seals their strength and beauty.
From the kiln's embrace, the tiles emerge, strong and resilient. Their final form, a testament to enduring quality.
Precision automation ensures every tile meets exacting standards. Flawless pieces, meticulously sorted, ready for their destiny.
Each perfect tile is carefully stacked, preparing for packaging. A symphony of precision and mechanical grace. Protected and prepared, the tiles receive their final layer of defense, ready for their journey to homes worldwide. The mark of quality, our brand, is proudly affixed, a symbol of craftsmanship, integrity, and trust. From humble clay to finished masterpiece, these tiles await their journey, ready to adorn spaces worldwide.
The final stage, distribution. Each tile carries the promise of beauty, destined for homes and projects globally.
Finally, the journey culminates in inspiration. Here, the tile's true purpose unfolds, transforming spaces with beauty.
From raw earth to a tactile masterpiece, each tile invites connection. A touch of enduring beauty, crafted for life. The journey begins anew, deep within the earth's embrace. Raw power, meticulously extracted, fuels our craftsmanship. Through raw power, the earth's bounty is broken down. Each chunk, meticulously prepared for its grand transformation. Only the finest particles proceed. This meticulous sieving guarantees unparalleled smoothness and consistency for every tile. Refined to perfection, the clay powder rests in towering silos. A vast reserve, precise measurements ensure the perfect blend. Every batch, a testament to scientific rigor and unwavering quality.
Within this powerful vortex, diverse elements unite. A perfect, homogeneous every batch is rigorously tested for perfect plasticity. This scientific precision ensures optimal workability and strength.
In this symphony of steel and power, countless tiles are born. Each press, a testament to industrial might and precision.
Within the intricate mold, the tile's design takes form. Every detail, a precursor to its final aesthetic brilliance.
Fresh from the press, these green tiles embark on their critical journey. Each step builds towards enduring quality. In pre-drying, moisture gently escapes, preparing the tiles for their ultimate test. A patient, precise process.
Every environmental factor is meticulously controlled. Precision monitoring ensures optimal drying, preventing any compromise.
Perfectly dried, these biscuits are now prepared for their artistic transformation. The canvas awaits its color. In the lab, colors come to life. Each glaze, a carefully formulated masterpiece, chosen for its brilliance. Expert hands carefully blend each glaze. A vibrant liquid, destined to imbue our tiles with unparalleled depth.
In a cloud of fine mist, the tiles receive their protective, beautiful coating, a vital step for lasting elegance. Freshly glazed, each tile gleams with vibrant potential. Its surface, a testament to meticulous application.
The glazed tiles enter a gentle drying phase. This crucial step prepares them for the intense heat of the kiln.
Temperature is meticulously controlled, ensuring perfect glaze preparation. Every degree, a step towards enduring beauty.
Into the furnace, where fire refines and strengthens.
From fire's embrace, tiles enter cooling, a controlled descent, solidifying strength and revealing their exquisite finish. Advanced laser technology meticulously scans every surface, flawless precision, ensuring every tile meets our highest standard.
The human eye, our ultimate quality filter. Every tile undergoes a final, meticulous inspection for perfection. Every edge receives meticulous protection, ensuring each tile arrives flawless, ready for installation and admiration.
High-speed automation ensures every tile is perfectly packaged, ready for safe transit, preserving its inherent beauty.
Every box is meticulously scanned, ensuring perfect inventory and traceability. Precision from creation to delivery.
Through vast warehouses, our finished tiles move with purpose. Organized logistics ensure their perfect journey ahead.
From our gates, tiles embark on their global voyage, each one a testament to craftsmanship, ready to inspire. Our quest for the finest materials is unending, discovering new sources, ensuring the future of exceptional tiles.
Each core sample tells a story of the Earth, unlocking secrets, ensuring the highest quality raw materials.
Advanced drone technology maps the terrain, ensuring responsible and efficient extraction. Precision from the sky above.
From the quarry's depths, raw clay begins its ascent, a powerful journey, moving towards refinement and purpose. Cutting-edge XRF analysis reveals elemental secrets, ensuring every raw material meets our exacting standards. In vast vats, different clays unite. A viscous blend, meticulously prepared, forms the heart of our tiles. Under controlled pressure, the clay slurry flows, a testament to hydraulic power, guiding its journey with precision.
Within the spray dryer, liquid transforms to powder, a delicate process, creating the perfect consistency for pressing. From the control room, every press is meticulously monitored. Technology ensures unparalleled precision and flawless production.
With delicate precision, robotic arms handle each green tile, ensuring perfect transfer, maintaining its fragile form.
Moisture levels are precisely measured. This critical data guides the drying process, ensuring optimal tile integrity.
Ready for color, the biscuit tiles journey towards their artistic transformation. A vibrant future awaits.
Expert eyes and hands ensure perfect glaze consistency. A vibrant liquid, poised to transform each tile's surface. Viscosity, meticulously measured. This precise control ensures a flawless, even coating for every single tile. Here, artistry takes form. Intricate patterns, precisely printed, transform each tile into a unique masterpiece.
Each printed tile, a canvas of vibrant artistry, a testament to precision, transforming surfaces into masterpieces.
From matte to gloss, each tile receives its unique finish. A spectrum of textures, elevating design possibilities.
Tactile artistry, precisely applied. A subtle relief pattern, adding depth and character to each tile's surface. Every dimension is meticulously checked. Digital precision ensures absolute uniformity, guaranteeing perfect installation. Final product, flawless and enduring. Each tile, a testament to our relentless pursuit of perfection.
Durability is paramount. Rigorous scratch tests ensure each tile withstands the tests of time and life.
From our factory to your sanctuary, witness the transformative power of tiles, creating spaces of enduring beauty. Subtle art of grout, sealing perfection. Each line, a testament to meticulous installation and enduring elegance. In the heart of the home, tiles bring both beauty and resilience, crafting spaces that inspire culinary creativity. our tiles repel water effortlessly. Advanced protection, ensuring lasting beauty and superior functionality in any space.
Welcome, madame. Do you have a reservation this evening?
Yes, it's under the name Ahmed.
Easy to maintain, our tiles retain their pristine allure. Effortless care, ensuring lasting beauty for generations. Beyond interiors, our tiles bring enduring beauty to outdoor spaces, connecting nature with timeless design effortlessly. A symphony of precision, where raw materials transform into tiles. Witness the continuous flow of our craftsmanship. Zero deviation, absolute flatness. Our commitment to perfection, digitally confirmed for every single tile. Each tile, a precious jewel, carefully placed in its velvet embrace, ready for its grand presentation, a true luxury. In our studio, each tile becomes a star, expertly photographed, capturing its unique beauty for the world to see.
In showrooms worldwide, our tiles inspire. Each display, a curated experience, inviting you to imagine. Beyond the tile lies inspiration. Our brochures showcase endless possibilities, sparking imagination for your space.
Architects worldwide choose our tiles, integrating timeless beauty into visionary designs. Crafting the future, together. With interactive technology, design possibilities are limitless, envisioning spaces one perfect tile at a time. More than a surface, a statement. Each tile, a masterpiece of design and enduring beauty, meticulously crafted.
Earth's raw power begins its journey into the crusher, where raw clay is transformed piece by piece.
Every batch, meticulously sampled. This fine powder holds the promise of strength, awaiting rigorous analysis.
Under immense pressure, new tiles are born, each one a testament to raw power, transformed into a precise form. This green tile, fresh from the press, holds endless potential. Its delicate form awaits the transformative heat ahead.
Gentle heat begins its work, slowly drawing moisture. A crucial, patient process, preparing each tile for strength.
Every parameter precisely calibrated. Our technicians ensure optimal drying conditions, a testament to meticulous control. A vibrant ballet of color and precision. Our glazing hall, where artistry and technology unite to create stunning surfaces.
A delicate mist, precisely applied. This even glaze coating ensures unparalleled depth and lasting brilliance for every tile.
Into the crucible of fire, the glazed tiles enter. This intense heat will fuse their beauty, creating enduring strength. Every degree, meticulously controlled. Our technicians monitor the kiln's heart, ensuring perfect firing for every tile.
From fire's embrace, they emerge. Perfectly fired, these tiles are now enduring works of art, ready for the world.
Every edge, meticulously perfected. Robotic precision ensures a flawless finish, ready for seamless installation.
Gleaming with perfection, these polished tiles journey to final inspection. Each one, a testament to enduring beauty.
Under magnified scrutiny, every tile undergoes final inspection. Unwavering dedication ensures absolute perfection, always.
The final touch, meticulous packaging. Each tile securely prepared for its journey, ensuring pristine arrival globally.
A final mark of identity, our barcode, ensuring traceability and authenticity from our factory to your home.
Through our expansive warehouse, tiles journey towards their final destination. Efficient logistics, delivering beauty globally.
From our doors, the journey truly begins. Each truck carries the promise of beauty, destined for homes worldwide.
Across oceans and continents, our tiles journey, connecting cultures, bringing beauty to every corner of the globe. From raw earth to enduring art, this is the journey of a tile, a timeless masterpiece crafted for your world.